Hello everyone, so I am back with another video. School terms are really hard, okay? Anyways, I had a really great video idea because I went shopping at PrettyLittleThing and I have been so hesitant to shop there even though I've been seeing it literally everywhere because it's just one of those stores you don't know if it's like actually like good or not. And yeah, there's a ton of like videos on YouTube, but most of them are sponsored or they buy stuff that like, I don't know, maybe I wouldn't. And you know, I just wanted to see for myself. As we all know, they have like 40% off sales like every other day. So the prices can get really good and I definitely want to see if the quality is reflective of that because let's hope not. Here is the package it came in, and let me just start off by saying, okay, yeah, it's cute, but like this literally came in like 3 days from the UK. I was shook. I didn't have to pay any duties, anything like that. Like, I was so impressed by the shipping. Like, I'll order stuff from like Forever 21 down the street and it'll come like way later than this. I guess let's just open it and see what's inside. By the way, guys, I waited so long to open this up just so I could do it on video because I couldn't film until after I was done on my assignments. So I'm going to start off with the reason I even went and bought stuff from PrettyLittleThing. It's because I saw this beautiful IMG top and girl, it was like $110, and for what it was, it did not look like it was worth it. So I went and I found myself a dupe, and that dupe happened to be on PrettyLittleThing. So this is a cute little top, and in the picture they have it wrapped around at the front, but I only liked it wrapped around the side, so I'm probably gonna wear it like that. But overall, like the material, like honestly is not bad. It's kind of what I expected it to be, and I think it's super cute. Here is the first top, and I honestly love it. I do not see a difference at all from that IMG one. I don't think you'd be able to tell at all, so I'm really happy. I saved like $90. I honestly love it. And the next thing I wanted to get was a dress. This is also another thing that was like duped because realization part, I don't know if this was last summer or 2 summers ago. Either way, I know I'm behind on this trend. They have these dresses that everyone was wearing, and this is one of them. And honestly, the material is like not bad. Like, it's thin, but like a good type of thin where it's like it'll be nice for the summer. Oh, here is that red dress. I'm not mad about it. Like, the material like is a cheap material, but it's one of those cheap materials where it's actually more comfortable because it's cheap, so it's very breathable. Then another dupe. I promise you guys, this is the last dupe. Okay, so Kylie wore this top, what was it? I think it was IMG also. This is way brighter than I imagined it to be, but the material feels like kind of cheap. I'm hoping it's not gonna look cheap on. Kind of fun, kind of funky, kind of fresh. It is a bodysuit. I don't know if I mentioned that. It is clippable at the bottom, so that's nice. I really like don't love this material, but I don't think you can tell what the material is. Probably wouldn't be able to tell without touching it. But overall, like, I think this looks pretty cute. Definitely say this is another hit for PrettyLittleThing. See, they literally ship this as if it's a scarf. So this is a top, okay? It looks like a scarf, but that is the point. It looks kind of see-through from where I'm holding it. I don't know if you can see through it, but I can see through it. It doesn't look cheap, so that's all we're asking for. So I've been playing around with this top for like 5 minutes now. A top should not take this long to get on, especially one that claims to be a scarf that you just tie around yourself. I had high hopes for this item, and I was like, how can you even mess this up? It's literally a piece of fabric. Well, they managed to mess it up. They put these like wires to help hold it up, but that does not help at all. So it's holding it really strange. I'm gonna try to remove them so that it's just this fabric. As of right now, this is not good, like, at all. Okay, I really hate this material, guys. If I saw this in store, I would have not got this. See, I remember checking what these were made out of because I wanted to like pick based off of the thing. So it's 95% polyester and 5% elastane. I mean, as long as it looks good on, maybe I wouldn't mind, but it feels like a swimsuit, so I don't know. So here is the black bodysuit, and again, I don't like this material. Like, if I see this same thing at like Brandy Melville and Cotton, I'm definitely buying it, but for now, like, I will wear this probably. Like, I really like the look. You know what it feels like? It feels like a dance costume, and it's pretty much that type of material. Super cute top, gonna give them that. Pretty excited about this one because I've always wanted like a set like this. Off the bat, quality pretty good. So it's like a loungewear set, so this is the top. It's a cute little like crop top, and then the pants are just like this. So the loungewear set is like actually really cute. It is a little like strange fitting because of how high-waisted the pants are. Luckily, I have long legs, so it fits like pretty well, but if you don't, it would definitely be very baggy. 100% gonna use this just to lounge around the house. I definitely needed something like this. Last thing is a plain white top. So this will kind of go to say like what their basics are kind of like. Okay, this is not what I expected at all. Like this looks really big, but like it's supposed to be tight. And it smells really weird. I guess let's try it on and see how it looks, but like was not supposed to be this short. At least I don't think so. There's this. Yeah, I thought at first maybe I was delusional. Maybe the top I ordered was actually like way shorter, but no, as you can see in the picture, it goes up to like here on her. And no, it's not just on my body, all the way around it. And even the neckline's even weirder in person. I thought it looked kind of weird on the model, but in person, it's a whole new level. Material's bad. Yeah, I'm just not happy about this one. So, excuse the mess behind me. I don't know if you see it, but I just wanted to close out the video. I had a lot of fun trying this stuff on, although I'm kind of sad when I feel like I've wasted money. The good thing about all these things are I feel like I can make them usable still. So although there was a lot of items where they just didn't work, I feel like I can still make it usable. There were definitely some that I don't regret buying, even though there are some that I definitely do. So I don't really know. I don't think I'll purchase again from PrettyLittleThing, but if there's something I really want again, like that IMG top or like this, I would probably risk it. But when it comes to stuff I'm not sure about, like basics, I would not recommend buying from there. I mean, use your discretion. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully I'll be back soon because my term's almost over. But yeah, so I'll see you next time, hopefully. Bye!